Somalia has two major sub-clans. We have the Darot and we have the Hawia. So the Darot, we have Ogaden, we have Majarten, and we have Marehan. Now, Darot, only Ogaden is in Kenya. So Ogaden, you find most of them in Garissa, Garissa region. And then the Hawia are the majority, where we have the Gare, the Merule, the Godogogia, and Ajuran. But along the border, we have a buffer. The Marehans are the buffer between Kenya and Somalia. Now, there is no Merehan in Kenya. Now, what happens, the Somalians are organized in a way that they are clan-based. If you go to Garissa, majorly they are Ogaden. If you go to Wajir, majorly they are Ajuran, Degodea, and Ogaden. If you go to Mandera, they are Gare, Marules, and Degodias. Now, what happens is that they are also very careful amongst themselves because they also fear people moving from Somalia into Kenya because it may disturb their normal election patterns, because they have election patterns. For example, I want to give you an example. If you go to Mandera today, the governor is a Gare. The deputy is a Degodia. These are two major clans balancing. You go to Wajir, the governor is a Degodia, the deputy governor is Ogaden. Then Garissa, where there are majorities, where you find Ogaden are both governor and so on. Now, what we are talking about is extra vet.